Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End. Znači, ovo je jedna veoma dobra igrica koju ja obožavam. Znači, igrica je super, malo starija, ali dobro. Hajmo da krenemo. Evo čekaj. Okay, we're in Prison Fortress, and this is Jack. Yeah. The game can be a little confusing. Okay. Press what? How can I change? So we're on X. This little options. Okay. Our first attack. Okay, I need to get that. What about now? Okay. Okay. Now I can't. Looks like I can't turn my camera. Okay, I'm gonna stand here. So he let that go. What's happening? Why can't I turn the camera? Don't know, but I'm gonna talk to this guy. Okay, boy, girl. The one that coming out, I particularly don't like. Okay, press and hold to defense. I just didn't seem to be. What is better? I didn't know. Okay. Okay. Let's because we need to get there now. Let's just... Oh, we can get down. Can I talk to that guy? No. So we have like... I need to win that. Oh, that one was easy to kill. We only have 38. We're bad. How to eat a chicken? How to eat a chicken? How to eat a chicken? Nugget biscuit, nugget and a biscuit. How to eat a fucking chicken? Okay, those are 4 attacks. Attack. Okay, you get him. Like that, catch him. What about, okay, shift is like that. Caps lock. Oh, hey, we have inventory. Inventory is on tab. Okay, I don't care about this. What if I press 1, 2, anything? How to use this? Okay, you... I don't know. We'll find out. I know you can use that. Izvinjavam se, počela sam da pričam na engleskom. Izvinjavam se, to je samo stara navika. Veoma mi je žao. Ajmo se da se vratimo u pravom svetu. Zašto sam počela da pričam na engleskom? Nije mi jasno. Ali dobro. Ahoy, matey. Hajde, Jack. Idemo, znači. Gore. Navika mi je da pričam na engleskom, tako da nemojte me osuđivati. Znači, možemo da sklonimo sve ovo i da dobijemo, evo, ovdje dobijemo neke parice. Dobre, pare. Opet pare i uglavnom su to pare. Ok, sada ću sam vratno spustiti, da. I ovdje nešto ima. Znači, to, u redu. Vratno sad možemo da izađemo, uđemo negdje. Da. Ok, znači idemo ovuda. Okay. Umrli smo, nevjerovatno. Dobro. Malo dok ja uđem u štos, pa ćemo posle lako. Ne bi ovo trebalo, teško, imamo još nekoliko minuta snimanja, 15 minuta ću da snimam. I eto. Ok, sada još ovog je bilo da pobedimo, znači lik je opasan. Vrlo. Samo ćemo 2 puta ići. To je to. Ubili smo ga. Cool. Ne znam zašto ne mogu da promenim izgled kamere. Robotic and checknism.